Podio has really changed the way that we store information and communicate and collaborate and improve within Olikka, but more importantly really is that it's actually enabled us to extend that to the customer. We design and build and deliver two main solutions for our customers. One is desktop management and virtualization using Microsoft and Citrix products, and also private and public cloud, again using Microsoft and Citrix products. So we create a workspace for every project that we do with the customer, and we invite them into that so that they can contribute, they can have tasks assigned to them, they can assign tasks to us, they can see project milestones and see how we're tracking. So we've been able to extend that work environment outside of the Olikka boundaries into the customer. And I've got to tell you, they've been amazed. Every time we do it, they're just blown away that we're using something like this to actually improve the project.
And the net effect is Podio has become a key differentiator for us in the way we run projects and the way we compare ourselves to our competition.
Right from the beginning with Olikka, we had a strategy that we would use cloud-based software, and we initially set a strategy that we would pick best of breed or really detailed and focused applications for the main functions of our business, so accounting and finance, sales and CRM, and project management. So very early on we did come across Podio and we really liked the idea of using it, but we initially thought that it would be a gap filler. So all this other work that we had to get done that wasn't one of those three key business functions we could use Podio for. That was our initial idea. And when we did implement it, by that time we had found that the adoption from our project management tool wasn't great, so what we actually did was put Podio in both to do all the other work that we need to do and our core work of the project management. And immediately we found, of course, that the adoption went through the roof. We didn't really need a microblogging separate tool like Yammer, so we just moved to Podio. And that was so successful and easy, and we found that people really wanted to use it, that actually only a month after we implemented that, the sales team decided that they would like to migrate their CRM functions to Podio as well. So we've just finished the migration from Salesforce into Podio.
So one big advantage we have now is that all of our staff have one consistent user interface across a variety of different applications. And they are now empowered to change that interface to their needs. So if they wanted to change the way a particular application looks, so if they wanted to add their own functionality, which they could benefit from, they have all the power to do that. And the value of that is extremely significant to our business.
I think for me, one realization moment that we'd really picked the right tool was when I said to one of our consultants, right, we're starting this new project, you need to go and set it up. And we didn't have to tell him exactly how, we didn't have to have any procedures or documentation. We just said, look, go to the App Store internally. I've already published the one from Olikka where we've got the adapted project management one. He just could install that, and then he was up and running with the project straight away. And then he invited me, I joined it, I could see what was happening on the project. Yeah, and another good example actually is the migration from Salesforce was actually done by our sales guys, right? So the sales guys could create the leads and opportunities and customer contact applications themselves without us getting involved. If a sales guy can do it, anyone can.